Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 109th day of recording myself. Yesterday I told you that today I will record but I will tell you guys how to talk with Google Gemini. But right now the situation is that I don't have other phone from which I can record, so that is why I'm just started the vlog like as it is. It is not a vlog, but it is just a recording session and practice session of mine. So right now when I came on my roof, like this is my roof, you have already seen, I saw that all the flowers are still in the plant. It means that today my brother, he didn't worshipped. I'm just thinking about that if the flowers are still there in the plant, it means he doesn't plucked it from the trees. That is why it is still there. So but let it be. I don't know what to talk, but here is the one. It seems like it is a statue. It is a statue, but my mother used this statue as a plant holder. Like there is money plant in that. See, my mother planted so many trees in my home. We are like not fond of trees because it is very lengthy process to take care of them. But my mother says just awesome. Look at the amount of trees. Amount of trees means from here to there. There is so many plant on my roof. You can see, and it is just like little. Some of them are see-through because it was like not in a good condition. See-through it away. But in my whole house, there is like many trees on each floor of my home. There is like on every floor there is tree. There is plants, small plants, decorated plant, like snake plants. Most of the plant which I have in my house is snake plant. I don't know why my eyes are itching little bit. So this is called a snake plant. This is snake plant. This is the Tulsi. You all have know the trees of Tulsi, which we, like in Hindu, we worship the Tulsi plant. It is like incredible, and Tulsi is like it has many and countless way of using. So if you catch cold, cough, so we can just boil the Tulsi leaf into water, and then we can have it, and you will get relief from your cough and cold. And in medicine, Tulsi is used in medicinal field. I don't know from where I have heard some sound. And in my neighbor, the work is going on. A room is just building. There is so many laborer who came to build a house in my neighbor, so they are making sound. I think that all is the all which you can see, the woods are of bamboo. We all bring it from my grandmother house, which is like, my grandmother house is not here, it is like far away from here, but it is in Bihar also. But we live, look, can I show you something? The plant, the area which you can see here, over here, this area is full of water. It means my house is just surrounded by water from three sides, and all the three sides are full of water. And there is like what we call it, water fruits are there in all my surroundings. But we can't just keep it from there because it is like very dangerous to touch them, because there is so many snakes. keeps moving here and there around my house. Some of the time it enter into our house also, but I'm not the bravest one. I'm so scared of all the snakes and everything. I think I'm scared of everything, each and everything, each and every animals, and I don't like animals at all. I can watch it from like far ways, but if I talk about I'm going to just play with them, that's not going to work. I'm so scared of the animals. So some of the time I just like sitting over my roof. It gives me peace, like there is no one around me right now. I'm just alone on my roof, and it is time of evening, and you all know that winters are like winter has entered, and I'm feeling little cold, but right now it is like okay. I'm not feeling cold right now. The thing is, I don't know what to talk next, but I'm feeling just good about talking about everything, whatever. So I will tell you the story of my hair color. So once in before like last year, in starting of the last year, it means not in 2023 2025, I'm talking about 2024. In starting of 2024, I got my hair color, and when I just entered in my house, my mom was like, she was so angry and she was so insulting me that why you have colored your hair. She was just annoyed, and I was annoyed too. I told to the parlor attendant, I told to the assistant, which was like assisting my hair. I told her that I am going for the color for the first time. I'm getting my hair colored for the first time. Please do that kind of a hair color which is going to suit my hair. But she did something weird to my hair. It was like all light, and I was very scared of. I know that if I'm going to enter in my house, I am going to get scolded by my mother. She is not going to leave me. She was so angry to me, like I don't know how I tell you about this. She was so angry. And she scolded me a lot that what you have done to your hair. But now I'm just feeling good, because after 1 year my colors have like faded gone away from my hair, and now I feel good about this. So this has happened to my hair color, and everyone in my house was like mocking me. They were just telling me lots of things, what you have done to your hair and what. They were just keep telling me so many things, and I was annoyed with my hair too. Wherever I was going, I was just not doing anything. I was just rolling my hair, and I just covered my hair with all the things, with whether it is dupatta or anything, but I was just covering my hair, because I don't want that. Even my family is already telling me so many things. I don't want to listen anything from others also. I was like, this is not gonna happen. If I'm going to get outside, so if someone is going to tell me that what you have done to your hair, I get just, my confidence level just drops there. If anybody is going to like make fun of me, my self-confidence and my confidence level drop there. I don't want to have that. I don't want that happen to me. So I just keep my hair covered with anything, whether it is scarf, where it is dupatta, where it is like cap. Just keep on hiding my hair. But now I'm feeling relaxed that all my colors have fed away from my hair. And right now these are the instruments which my brother use. He's not that big, but he is younger to me. He keep all his instrument over here, and I'm sitting on the ground of the floor, like I am sitting on the roof on the ground, and I'm feeling good. And in summer, like when the sun rise, we all of us just went on the roof and have just take a sun bath, so that we can relax and feel little hotter. So we use that in winters. Otherwise in summer you can't see me here on this roof. I never come. I feel just very, very, very hot. That is why I don't come on the roof in summer. Like I come, but in the evening only. Otherwise I am not going to come. But in winters I spend a lot of my time on the roof. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye guys. Can you see this? How beautiful my roof looks. It is very beautiful and I'm very happy. So there is just a tap, so that if we are on the roof, if we want water to drink, we can just go and use it from there. And there is a tap because of we need to water all the plants to keep them hydrated, and so that they can't get dead. So there is a tap on the roof too. So right now I'm just going to look at for some. I will travel here, like I will walk on the roof for some time. After that I will went down in my kitchen to cook food. And today I think I will go make cauliflower. I will fry the cauliflower along with the potatoes, and along with that I will make chapatis, and that's all for my dinner. Like for everybody's dinner in my home, I'm going to cook this today. I thought of why not recording it right now, because in the night I have to attend a session. I have to practice. I have to attend 2 practice session of English. I don't think that I'm paying money. I have attended, and I'm going to attend anybody's class by paying. No, not at all. I'm just going to practice on YouTube videos, scripted videos, which is already there on the YouTube. So I will practice from there, so that I can improve a little bit more and more and more. So that's all for today's video. Bye guys.